channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm basically not going anywhere because right now we are in quarantine time because of the virus. So we're not going anywhere. We're staying safe inside. So, but it's been like 2 weeks that I haven't worn any makeup, and I decided today's gonna be the day that I'm going to get glammed up, even though I'm gonna be staying home. But yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. But before we get into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and subscribe. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so of course I'm going to start with my hair. I'm first misting it with some water because it was getting a little dry, and I like to apply my hair products with my hair still wet. I'm using this product by Shea Moisture Curling Enhancing Smoothie. This is actually one of my all-time favorite hair products of all times. I forgot I have to start with this. So as you see, I forgot to apply my leave-in conditioner first. Once I apply it, I go back to finishing applying the Shea Moisture product. And I'm using this diamond brush to brush my hair to help the products apply evenly through my hair. I flipped my hair to fix my part because for this day, I wanted my hair to be parted on the side. And lastly, I'm going to add some of this Shea Moisture 100% pure argan oil to my hair for some added shine. Then I'm defining my curls by finger coiling some of my hair. I'm not finger coiling the entire hair, just a few around the front area and some on the back as well. And using the t-shirt I had on my head, I'm going to use it to scrunch my hair. This is going to help with the curling and also for my hair to dry faster. Now moving on to my face. I'm prepping my face with this Mario Badescu spray and Too Faced Hangover Primer. I'm starting with my brows using this Winky Lux brow pencil. I'm only filling in the areas that need to be filled in. Then I'm going in with this e.l.f. brow kit, and I'm using the powder for the front part of my brows. And then I'm going to use this Wet n Wild concealer as an eye primer, and I'm also going to clean up my brows. For eyeshadow, I'm using this Tarte's palette by Tarte, and these are the 4 colors I'm using from this palette. This is a very easy and simple look I decided to go for. I applied my wing liner and lashes off camera. And moving on to foundation, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Caramel Beige. This is my go-to drugstore foundation. Using Real Techniques sponge to apply it for a more natural finish, and also I'm applying Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and I'm also blending it with the sponge as well. I'm also going to use this sponge to apply my Airspun loose powder to bake, and I'm applying it in the areas that I applied the concealer. Moving on to my L'Oreal Contour Pro palette, I'm using this medium contour shade to contour my face. And all the products I used will be listed down below in the description box. And then from the same palette, I'm using this yellow highlight powder with my Real Techniques setting brush to dust off my Airspun loose powder. And then I'm going to apply Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade Glow to my cheeks. I absolutely love this bronzer. And for highlight, I'm using Becca Cosmetics Prosecco Pop. And I'm also applying some on my chest to really glow. I'm lining up my lips with this NYX lip pencil in the shade Nude. I've been using this almost every day, well, before the quarantine. And then I'm using this matte lipstick by Rimmel in the shade Mocha. And I'm not too into mattes anymore, so I'm going to go over it with this new lip gloss by L'Oreal. And now I just have to sit and wait for my hair to completely dry. And voila, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below letting me know how is your quarantine time going. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.